All right, now the command module RCS monitoring check. This is very similar to the service module. There is one big difference though. You notice up here it says service module RCS. Down here, command module RCS. So the function of these gauges change, and we can see that this meter actually doesn't read anything on CMRCS mode. So it drops out completely. So that's something to keep in mind. We've got, right now, a bit of off nominal values because we have not pressurized. So because we haven't pressurized the command module RCS, we'll be looking at the pre-pressure conditions. You can see after activation, fuel and oxidizer pressure read different than before activation up here. We'll ensure that nominally the command module reaction control system propellant isolation valves, these talkbacks are barber pole, indicating that those valves are isolated. They are closed. So there will be no way that those jets could be firing. So command module RCS helium temperature, that is 60 to 90 degrees. Again, same multipliers and everything. We're just a hair above 60, so we're good. That's pre-pressure condition. Shouldn't change after post-pressure. You'll test that on both. Helium pressure should be between 4,000 and 4,450. Note, after activation, this will probably drop as the helium is bled from the tank and into the fuel through like a, well, not directly into the fuel, but it opens up like a bladder, and that pushes against the fuel. And so the tank pressure will drop because there's more volume for the helium to occupy. So same with when you're consuming the fuel. A measure of the helium pressure is a good way to gauge how much fuel you have left, since you don't have a quantity gauge on the command module reaction control system. Prior to pressurization, we could see command module RCS manifold pressure. That's fuel and oxidizer pressure. They match. That'll be 25 to 200 psi. So 25, so right here-ish. All the way up to 200, that's right here. That's pre-pressure. After activation, it's between, you know, here-ish, all the way up to here-ish. So very small operating range, actually. And that's sort of our overview. Again, any one of these three gauges showing off nominal values could cause command module RCS lights to go on.